Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Priya. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I would like to reveal regarding Google AdSense. Yes, and also I am gonna tell you that how I got and what process is there to get Google AdSense pin. Until that point, I will explain step by step. So this video for you guys who all are new YouTubers and also who all are planning for new YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First point is create a new Gmail account. So guys, if you have already Gmail account, you do not necessary to create it. If you do not have, you should create a new Gmail account and post your videos on YouTube channel. Do not post videos from any other post or channel and also music. If you post as usual, you have chances of get copyright. Try to create your own content with your own voice. That's effective to your channel. Second point is there are certain rules. You should complete 1000 subscribers plus 4000 watch hours within a year. One more option is there. You should complete 1000 subscribers plus 10 million short views in 90 days. In case you follow those rules which are no copyrights and you should complete 1000 subscribers plus 4000 watchers in a year or 1000 subscribers plus 10 million short views in 90 days. Definitely you will get monetization your YouTube channel without any hassle. After monetization, your channel will start to earn money in dollars. And then when you will reach $10, do identity verification, which means you need to apply for AdSense pin. After verification of identity, you will get AdSense pin within 2 weeks. If you once get AdSense pin, you need to enter those pin which are 6 digit and submit it. Until this video, I have explained you guys and here it is. I am gonna show you my AdSense account. See here, let's go. She is ready to collect post from postman uncle. I got call from the postman uncle to receive the post. And then I asked my sister to get it and she is going. So guys, my sister is going near to the gate and finally we got it. Here it is. Thank God, we are extremely happy. You can see here, literally she expressed her happiness with no words because it's difficult to get this pin. You don't understand guys. I truly appreciate your support friends and please I hope you will continue to do so in my future videos. Guys, thank you so much for your support and kindness. I'm asking to open the envelope but till she is enjoying, let her to enjoy with that envelope because she is extremely happy. I can't say in words. So here we are going to show you guys opening the envelope. Here it is. Finally we are going to revealing in front of you guys. We are going to opening the envelope. There is a stepwise tear. So tear it cleanly from first, second and third sides. Already they have mentioned very clean and neat way on the envelope which is first, second and third. You need to read it and tear it according to their way which is very clean and neat. Open it to view the 6-digit pin and enter in your Google AdSense. So guys, I hope you got this video informative. Please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.